Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Mesliese Vacuum Sealer machine, a compact food preservation system featuring 19 kPa power suction and 6-in-1 functionality. It promises stronger seals, longer food freshness, and versatile use of the meats, vegetables, jars, and even wine bottles. So if you are considering it for your kitchen, you can just check out the link of it in the description box below. So the Mesliese vacuum sealer stands out with its 90 kPa suction power, which is stronger than many entry-level models. It includes a dry and moist modes, normal and soft settings, plus an external hose for sealing containers and bottles. You also get a built-in cutter, vacuum rolls, pre-cut bags, and an air suction hose. The setup is very simple. You just have to insert the bag, select your mode, and press the start button. So in the real world testing, the suction is strong and consistent. It seals the meat, the fruit, and the dry goods tightly, removing the air efficiently to help prevent the freezer burn. The moist mode works well for maintained foods or juicy cuts, though it can take slightly longer to complete the cycle. Vacuuming typically takes between 3 to 10 seconds, which is decent but not the fastest in its class. One feature I appreciate is the 12 mm widened heating strip, which creates a durable, secure seal. Cleaning is also easy thanks to the stainless steel surface and smooth chamber designing. So if you want the powerful suction, multiple sealing modes, and long-term reliability, it can be a strong mid-range choice for you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to purchase the product, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.